Hey, in this video, we are discussing what on earth Joe Rogan is talking about in regard to saying that teachers are kind of dumb and useless. He didn't use those words. I'm just using this as clickbait. Sorry, not sorry. Just being honest, because I've got some really important points about what a teacher is earning compared to a barista and compared to a dog walker. And are you one of the two types of teachers, the ones that are in it for the right reasons or the ones that are in it for the wrong reasons? Is Joe Rogan calling teachers idiots? Let's have a listen.
I don't understand how anybody who loves their kids would not want their kids to be taught by the best people possible. So unless you're in abject poverty where you can't even think about where your taxes go, if you have children, you should be thinking like, boy, I hope they get the best people to teach my kids.
Well,
Instead,
yeah.
we get people that are willing to take a job that pays so little that like almost anybody with a bachelor degree can get a better job somewhere else financially. Get more.
Yeah.
You may get paid more as a waiter than most teachers get.
Oh, please. You'd get more money as a dog walker.
That was an interview with Katie Sackhoff, who's in The Mandalorian and Battlestar Galactica, being interviewed by Joe Rogan just here. And she's kind of absolutely right. So have a little look at this table. Just here, you can see that a teacher, Key 12, public school, is getting roughly around about $61,000 a year. Cool. They should be getting paid 37 hours a week. Okay, cool. They're actually working 55 hours a week, obviously, with the amount of grading they have to do, the prep, the meetings, the parent calls, the duties they've got to do, parents' evenings, things like that. So they're working over their contracted hours, and they're on average hitting 55 hours a week, which means they should be getting $25 an hour, but they're actually getting $17 an hour. So they're kind of working those other hours for free. Barista, as you can see, gets paid for 40 hours a week, and they work 40 hours a week, and they get something like $15 an hour. With a dog walker, though, it's a little bit different. 30 hours a week compared to actually working 30 hours a week, and they get something like $21K a year, which is a little bit wild. But also, not only that as well, this is fluent. So a dog walker can actually charge more. A dog walker can actually look after multiple dogs at the same time. So instead of getting something like $21 an hour, what they could do is they could drop the prices down to, $15 an hour and have 3 dogs. So that'll be $45 an hour, right? So they can actually grow and scale that way. So Katie is absolutely right. Isn't it crazy that what Joe Rogan said just there? Do you agree with what he said? Have you ever heard of the quote, those that can't teach and those that can't teach PE? I was a PE teacher, so I kind of get that to a degree. But it's crazy, isn't it? I think there's 2 types of teachers. I think there's one type of teacher which nurtures the growth of the child, and they really want to be there, want to help excel their life and their career in their future, which is fantastic. And there's another type of teacher that's just doing it because it's easy for a job. And these sorts of teachers are the ones that don't do the grading. They don't do the marking. They don't go above and beyond. These guys do on this end, and they're working more hours. They're feeling run down, burnt out, completely toxified by the environment, doing more work, creating lesson plans of which these guys want to sponge off. So I think there's 2 types of teachers. So I don't think Joe's wrong in this situation. I think he generalized a little bit, which is cool. I mean, he's never been a teacher, so how would he know? For some teachers, was absolutely spot on. Let's have a little listen to what else they have got to say.
Public schools should be great.
And we should have tried to invest in that a long ass time ago.
Well, and we should pay our fucking teachers.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, a lot more.
My mom was a teacher for 35 years. She had a master's degree, and she made something like $35,000 a year.
I know, it's crazy. You have to love what you do, like, and only want to do it because you love it. Whereas there's so many jobs that pay so much more.
But why is it
so important
in our country that anything to do with children gets underpaid?
I don't know.
That's crazy, isn't it? I mean, she's dead right. Even like pediatrics compared to big-time brain surgeon or doctors like that, they get paid less. I think she said 25% less. Why is that? That's absolutely crazy in my opinion. I don't think teachers should have to pay for their degree as well. If we look here, you can see in the United Kingdom, my gosh. So let's say you do a 3-year undergrad at £9,250 a year. That's £27,750 plus the PGC, which just so happens to be £9,535 according to this. So in total, plus living costs as well, 37 grand, 37,285 to be exact. That's crazy. Just to come out with 35K job each year, trapped in the system, which is absolutely crazy. Obviously in the United States, I'll just do the total amount because I've done the maths just here. They're looking at spending roughly around $62,000 a year, which is absolutely wild. Teacher certification program is $7K, $7,000. So you can just do a teaching thing online in the US, apparently. So you're looking at spending anywhere anywhere between $30,000 to $60,000 to become a teacher. That's wild. And they come out with just sort of like, what, $35K each year? I don't really think that would be worth doing. So I understand what Joe's saying in regard to some people that, or some teachers that want to become teachers. Maybe that's all they know, and maybe they feel trapped and scared to do that. And obviously, me being an ex-teacher, I came to that conclusion after being a teacher for 12 years, teaching science and PE, and I was head of department as well. And on average, life coaches charge anywhere between £70 to £250 an hour. So let's just say a life coach charges £85 an hour, which is a very exquisite deal considering what they do for the young person. And let's say they had 12 clients a week, which means 12 hours a week. So 12 times 85 equals £1,020. If you were to multiply that by 48, let's say, not even 52, 48, that comes to £48,960 a year. So almost 50K a year. But here's the difference. They're only working roughly between 12 to 15 hours a week, not 55 hours a week, like the stereotypical teacher does. So if you're a teacher and you're listening to this and you're one of the two, like I mentioned at the beginning, you've got this one over here, which is doing it for the right reasons, want to impact kids. They've become part of a culture and a system, which is just obviously indoctrinating the children, and they're aware of that and want to get out. I would seriously consider using the skills you've got to life coach children, because you can have some real freedom with your own kids instead of putting other people's kids first. You can have your experience with your own children. And if you're here just doing it for the money, then you need to get out of everything. Don't even be a life coach for kids. I don't think you've got the passion for it. You won't be good enough. Honestly, you won't be good enough. And I think you need to get out of teaching and work in the supermarket or something like that, because I think genuinely you're in it for the wrong reason. Anyway, if you are a teacher and this kind of resonated with you to a degree, I am training teachers how to become life coaches for children. So if you are interested, just drop me a personal message either on YouTube right now, or you can drop me a personal message on my Instagram, which is Dale Vincent Coaching, and I'll send you back a little voice note. If you can type on there as well saying from YouTube, I'll definitely send you a voice note so I know who it is, because I'm getting contact by like 27 people a day on my Instagram. It's crazy. But in the meantime, remember, I think you're on half term right now, time of recording this video. You are doing the best you possibly can with the resources you have available. You are worth more if you are in this zone just here. Have a cool day.